Welcome to the 8th video for Web Design for Beginners. In this video, we'll be adding the food section. So right now, our site doesn't have a food section, but we'll be adding it in this video. So how we do it is we come to our home page and we go to WP Admin, and that takes us to the dashboard. So what we want to do is we'll come to food menus. We'll add it as a menu section. Now I'm going to have 3 menu sections. One will be called soups and swallows, one will be called rice, and one will be called dessert and others. So I'll click on menu sections. Now I'll name this soups and swallow. Now I'm going to use lorem ipsum. Now I said lorem ipsum is placeholder text. So I'll just take a little of it. Ctrl V. So I'm going to add 3 menu sections. Call it rice. I'll call it dessert and others. So right now, if we come to appearance and customize, what will happen is this. Under that, we're going to come to theme options once it loads. Front page. So we see that the list is populated with food item section, but right now nothing is showing. Nothing shows because we've not added a menu item. So let's come back here and add a menu item. So let's come to add one item. So let me go to the folder. So I will say abacha. Now abacha is an Igbo food. So I can take lorem ipsum from here. So once I do that, it's important you come to your right and look at the menu section you want to be at. Now, abacha, I want abacha to be under dessert and others, and it is there. So I can click on publish. And it's there. The next menu item I want to add is for soup and swallow, and that is bitter leaf soup. Now you come here, click on publish. Jollof rice. And go to rice. So once that is done, you come back to appearance, customize. Or we would have reloaded this one. Let's close it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add each of the 3 sections, and then so we come here, come to front page, click on this, say soups and swallows. Now immediately you notice the change. What is missing now is the image, so let's go and upload the image. Now soups and swallows, I'm using bitter leaf. And you see immediately it works. So I'll do it for the other 2 sections. So after saying soups and swallows, the next thing I want to do is rice. So select image. Now to use the image of jollof rice. Now notice that it's saying recommended width is this thing, but all of them have to be the same size so that it looks uniform. Now remember what we wrote in at Laurie Epsom, so it's here. So the last one we want to do is dessert. So for dessert, I'll upload the picture of abacha. Now, one of the things you have to also be careful about when using images online is the issue of copyright. None of these images are mine. I got them from this site, allnigerianfoods.com. So if you are interested in sourcing images, but typically when you're building websites for people, your client will give you the images. You don't have to take images from other people's websites. I'm just doing this for the purposes of this class. So we'll say Abacha. Now, did it load up Abacha? Let's go to, let's go to the front end and let's see. So you notice that all three food items have been loaded: soups and swallows, rice, dessert, and others. So we have successfully uploaded our images and we have completed our food section. Thank you very much.